Are you making this huge mistake with your September flower garden? Stick around because today I'm revealing the top tips that will not only save your garden, but turn it into a blooming masterpiece this fall. Trust me, you don't want to miss this, especially if you want your garden to thrive as the weather cools down. Hey there, fellow garden enthusiasts. September is here, and while many people think it's too late to start planting, I'm here to tell you that this is actually one of the best times to get your flower garden going. The cooler temperatures, moist soil, and less intense sunlight create the perfect conditions for certain flowers to establish strong roots. So, let's dive into my top tips for planting a successful flower garden in September. Choose the right flowers. First things first, you need to pick the right flowers. Not every flower is going to thrive in the cooler temperatures of September, so it's crucial to choose varieties that can handle it. Think about planting pansies, mums, or snapdragons. These flowers love the cooler weather and will give you vibrant colors well into the fall. If you're aiming for perennials, go for plants like asters or hellebores that will come back stronger each year. Prepare your soil. Now, before you start planting, you need to get your soil ready. This is the foundation of your garden, and it needs to be rich in nutrients to support new growth. Start by clearing out any old plants or weeds that could compete with your new flowers. Then mix in some compost or organic matter to give your soil a nutrient boost. This will help your flowers establish strong roots quickly, which is essential for surviving the cooler weather ahead. Plant at the right depth. Here's a tip that can make or break your garden: planting depth. Each flower has its own specific needs, but a good rule of thumb is to plant the bulbs or seeds at a depth that is about 3 times their size. For example, if you're planting daffodil bulbs, make sure they're about 6 inches deep. This helps protect them from frost and gives them the best chance to thrive. And remember, water them right after planting to help them settle into their new home. Water wisely. Watering is crucial, especially in September when the weather can be a bit unpredictable. The key here is to water deeply and less frequently. This encourages the roots to grow deeper into the soil, making them more resilient to cooler temperatures. But be careful not to overwater. Too much water can lead to root rot, which is something you definitely want to avoid. A good soak once or twice a week should do the trick.
Mulch for protection.
Finally, don't forget to mulch. A layer of mulch will not only keep your soil moist, but also protect your flowers from the first frost. It acts like a blanket, keeping the roots warm and preventing weeds from stealing nutrients. Plus, as the mulch breaks down, it adds even more nutrients to your soil. Choose organic mulch like shredded leaves or straw for the best results. And there you have it, my top tips for planting a successful flower garden in September. If you follow these steps, you'll be well on your way to a garden that blooms beautifully through the fall. So, get out there, start planting, and let your garden be the envy of the neighborhood. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video.